Ugh. What's this?
New markers.
New markers. Let's open it. We got it from your aunt for Christmas, huh? Whoa. Look at how many colors there are.
Ew.
That's so cool. They're pretty thick.
Oh.
Oh, there's a tip on both sides, huh?
Yeah.
So a thin, fine tip on this side and a thicker side. Cool, and so many colors. 320 colors is what this bag says.
Whoa.
So many shades. This will be great for our art videos
Yep.
and drawing.
I don't know how we're gonna put this on the table.
Yeah, so we have some small boxes, and so we'll move some of the colors that we want to use into our small boxes, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's pick our favorite colors. So these are markers from Ohuhu,
Honolulu.
and yeah, these are the Honolulu line. Oh my goodness, look at us. There's so many colors we love. And there's still more. I don't think our friends even know what we're trying to draw.
We're trying to draw a snake.
Yeah, a
A New
New Year's snake.
Yep. I think that's all.
Okay, that's all for now.
Zip this up.
Good job.
Ugh.
How many pounds do you think this bag is?
I don't know.
Put all the swatches. It's all numbered too. 1, 2, 3, 4.
RP1.
RP6.
RP6. Where's B340?
B340. Lavender mist.
G470. Where's G470?
G470. Pine tree green. Nice. GY43. Deep olive green.
G360.
G360. Pond green.
This is gonna take a while.
Yeah. What we like about these Ohuhu markers is that they have a brush tip and a broad tip. So the brush tip actually makes it seem like a brush, like a paintbrush when you're drawing with it. And then the broad tip is more like a marker. And I like using the tip of the broad tip for drawing, as well as the flat end for larger surfaces. So that's cool. And they're pretty thick on the hands, so it gives you a good grip on the markers as well. And there's so many shades of the Ohuhu markers. Actually, we have 320 of them. And so we love how there's so many shades of purple, so many shades of pink, gray, blue, green, yellow, red, and it gives us so much flexibility when it comes to drawing. Well, we really enjoy these markers, and if you're interested in purchasing them, we have a link you can use in the descriptions below. And we have the Ohuhu Honolulu series markers, and these have been really great for us. We spent about a couple of hours just swatching each of the colors, and you can really tell that these are all different shades. And granted, some of the shades look a little similar, but you can definitely tell that there is a subtle difference in each of them, which is really cool. All right, well, thanks for drawing along with us. Bye.